glasses off so you guys won't see that glare, but I am gonna have to put them back on to read. Hi. I've been gone for an entire summer, I know, but this summer I took off. I normally take summers off. You guys are probably used to me not being around during the summertime, but I took the summer off just to spend more time with my kids. We didn't do summer camps this year because camps are expensive. But I took the summer off to spend time with my kids. We took them on trips, you know, day trips and stuff like that. We had a lot of fun and just really had bonding time. My daughter is in the 4th grade now, 4th grade, and my son started kindergarten, and I had intended on recording this video yesterday, but you know, there was that part, him starting kindergarten and all. So yeah, I was very emotional yesterday, but needless to say, I'm back, and prayerfully, fingers crossed in Jesus' name, will get my recording schedule back on track. Get my lighting situation good because it ain't good right now. My light is coming from the bottom up, and then I have this light on, and it's hot in here, so bear with me as I get stuff back in order. I've been rearranging my office. As you can see some of my hair products now, so if you guys see something back there that you want me to review, just let me know. But anywho, we're not here for that. You guys are here for a Curlbox unboxing. I am gonna do 2 months. I'm gonna do July and August unboxing of Curlbox. You can see the box back there, Curlbox. So let's do July. July was a box that I just opened because, like I said, we ain't been home. And it's Aunt Jackie's. And it's her Grapeseed. Hold on. Okay, it's the Aunt Jackie's, the grapeseed style and shine recipe. I've never tried Aunt Jackie's before. I did find a bunch of Aunt Jackie's stuff. That's all that stuff right there in this side. I found that at TJ Maxx, and I was like, oh, I've always wanted to try this. And then I get home and open and find out I had Aunt Jackie's stuff. So I will be trying this stuff in some upcoming videos, but this is the stuff that we got in the Curlbox. So in July's Curlbox, this is the Clarifying Intense Shampoo. Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. It's that. It is a 12-ounce bottle. And I will admit, I've watched some reviews on this. And, oh, y'all, I got nails on. I ain't gonna be able to open it. I'll let y'all know how that smells because I'm gonna use this stuff tomorrow. I've heard reviews about this, and I'm kind of nervous to use it because I've heard that it was really stripping on people's hair. But I mean, it's a clarifying shampoo to get your hair clean. Next up, after the shampoo, we got the Rescued Thirst Quenching Recovering Conditioner. I've heard awesome, great things about this product. So I cannot wait to use that. That's how thick it is. You see that? It's very thick. Not falling. See that? Ooh, it smells good, y'all. Oh, that smells really good. Very creamy consistency. Very nice. I will be using this tomorrow, so don't come for me. These twists are like 2 weeks old. They have been refreshed once or twice. I like this, y'all. We're gonna have to keep that in for a little minute when we do it. Okay, after that, we have the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. Let's do the smell test. Ooh. Oh, y'all, that smells good. That's the consistency of it right there. Oh, y'all, that smells good. I hope it produces something good, or we're gonna be rocking a hot puff. Okay, after that, we got a mousse, and my bottle came broken. But I mean, everything's still in there, but my bottle was like snapped. It's the Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. It's a hydrating elixir, sets curls, waves, coils, and textured hairstyles in place. That's that. I usually use mousse on twists when I do my twist, just to keep the twist from being frizzy. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it smells just like the other stuff. Mmm, that smells really good. I like it. I like the way this whole line, it smells really good. So if all this stuff smells good, I'm sure the shampoo smells good too. And the last thing we got in this line was the Shine Boss Refreshing Shine Mist. It softens, gives hair a beautiful reflective sheen. That's that. So, yeah, I gotta smell it, you know. Ooh, that smells good too. Okay, I really like this line of the smells of it. It's got the good smells. So that's good. All right, that's Auntie Jackie. We've heard about Auntie Jackie being real good and stuff. That's her. That's Auntie Jackie right there. Okay, so the next box is this month's box, August.
Wait a minute. So you mean to tell me you've been rocking with me, you've been watching my videos, and you ain't subscribed yet? Why you ain't subscribed? Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay, let's get back to the video.
And in this month's box, we got the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention System. This is everything that comes in that line, but we only got 5 of the products. So let's see which products we got. I will say that when I opened this box, my shampoo spilled a little bit. It didn't spill enough to where I'm like, I want another box, but it did spill just a tiny bit. So yeah. Okay, so this is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Cream Styler. Ooh. Cream stylers don't really work for me. I guess I can use it for like a twist out, but we'll see. Ooh. It smells like cocoa butter, I'll tell you that. I don't know if I'm feeling that or not, but it definitely smells like cocoa butter. That part. Let's see what else we got. Let's see, the shampoo is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Shampoo. It's a gentle moisturizing cleanser, and it's color safe if you got your hair colored. And that's what that bottle looks like. And it is a 12-ounce bottle, which is a full size. If you don't like the smell of cocoa butter, don't use this. It's got a strong, I don't mind the smell of cocoa butter. My husband's face moisturizer is cocoa butter, so I'm used to the smell. And this is the Length Retention Conditioner. I love this because it's got biotin in it, so I'm really wanting to try and see what this does for my hair. It's got vitamin E and antioxidants in the conditioner, and it's also color safe. And that's what that looks like. And it is also a 12-ounce bottle. And also it smells like cocoa butter. There's no other way. So that's the third one. The next one is a leave-in conditioner. It's a detangler, heat protectant, and moisturizer, and it is also color safe. No sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, gluten, dyes, and silicones. All that good stuff. And this is an 8.5 ounce bottle. Ooh, that's thick. It's really thick. Like you wouldn't expect it to be. I'm gonna try to do this without spilling. Y'all will see when I use it. I'll try to see that. It's a very creamy for it to be in a spray bottle. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm down with that. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. It's got my skin all soft and moisturized. Like that. I like that, baby. Okay. And lastly, we got the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Shine Glaze Serum. It locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair. It's color safe silicone free, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, glutens, or dyes, just like the regulars. So it is natural hair safe. And this is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. Oh, and it's got the lock on it. And of course I have my nails on, so I might be able to get this one off without a knife. Nope, I won't be able to get it off, but I'm pretty sure they all of them smell the same. I'm sure this one smells exactly like the rest. It does have the top that you can pull off. But yeah, so we got the shampoo, conditioner, styler, leave-in conditioner, and shampoo. I think I showed you guys that. And that was August box, 5 full-size products. I also got a $1 off coupon on any Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula for Sally's. It expires in February. This was the card for August. I do not have the card for July. I'm sorry. I don't know what I did with it. But this is a card, and this is what the inside looks like. Just gives you information on the product. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm glad I got my coupons. And then I'm excited to try out the Auntie Jackie's Grapeseed, and I will do a review on the other products that I found at TJ Maxx as well. But that's it. I'm back, y'all. Hi. So I'm gonna try to get this edited and posted for you guys ASAP, and I will get to working on my video for using Aunt Jackie's tomorrow. I won't have on makeup. I don't usually wear makeup unless I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. Y'all know that. So take a look. but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking in there with me. Let's get back on it. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about any of these products, you see any products up here that you would like for me to review, I got the Melanin up here, the Eden Body Works, all of my Cream of Natures are here, the Mayels, another Eden. I've got it all. If there's something that you've seen out there and you're like, Meeks, what is this like? I want you to try it and see if you like it. Comment down below and I will do that for you guys. And I am also working on some vlogging. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, so that's about it. I will chat with you guys in the next one. I hope you guys had a great summer. Sending out prayers for all the kids that are going back to school in Jesus' name. Keep those babies safe, the young, the old, keep them all safe, even the ones in college. Lord, protect those babies, cover them, and keep them safe in Jesus' name. We got to pray for our babies in school, y'all. I'm keeping them thoroughly lifted up in prayer, praying for those souls that are wanting to torment people, that they just stay away, they get the help that they need. But with that being said, we are signing off. Be blessed, be loved, and do a kind thing for someone today. Make someone smile. All right, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.